Hey everybody, how y'all doing? How you hey okay? In your neck of the woods, what up? Manners and respect, man. Now this little video, it's all about announcing the winners of our 5 days of Jammas. You know, our little competition, will look at something, our little Jamaican cooking journey, what we did. We're about to announce the winners because we want to do it officially to let everybody know. And to, you know, just to share a few things with you to let this, you know, this wasn't an hanky-panky, it was a real thing. And I want to say to you right here and now that these winners weren't done on any partisan basis. It was done this definitely how I said it would have gone. I am so sorry that some people said that they don't have WhatsApp, they don't do WhatsApp. But in the future, or in future giveaways, we'll do it that you can text your answer to a specific number. Okay, whether you have WhatsApp, yes or no, you can use direct. So we'll be using direct texting, not WhatsApp. Okay, and I'm sorry for those of you, I'm sorry, who did not have WhatsApp, that you could not text in the answer. Now, let me re-say the questions. And what should I do that, camera girl? And then yes. So the question was, it was a two-part question, A and B. What was the date of our first upload on the Jamaican cooking journey? And the answer to that is Sunday, the 19th of March, 2017. It was Sunday, the 19th of March, 2017. Part B is, what is the name of this skillet or this wok? What is the name of it? And the name of this is Joe. We are Jesse, we are Joe. You must have been on the Jamaican cooking journey long enough. This was the name, the very first time I said this name. It was I was doing some sprat with the Easter bun. Very first Easter bun. But the winner today was not on the Jamaican cooking journey from then. She joined the Jamaican cooking journey sometime, probably about summer this year, I am not sure. Yes, and it's my pleasure to announce the first place winner. The very first place winner of this little competition is Sheppy Bradshaw. Sheppy, big up yourself. Big up yourself, Sheppy. She was not on the Jamaican cooking journey at that time, but she went back and she watched all the videos. And I must say, Sheppy, big up, manners and respect for you to join the Jamaican cooking journey at such a late time. And you could have answered the question, and you could have answered it. I am so proud of you, my girl. I'm so proud of you. Yes. She did tell me that she was going back, and also Donna Chapman told me that she was going back to all my videos on the Jamaican cooking journey and also on the Jamaican Debbie Deb's Train. That's my second channel. Now, so we just want to give you a little feedback, and our second place winner is, she's a young girl. She goes by the name Sashay in the comment section. She's a young girl. They are both from Canada. She's a young girl. Just want to give you a little feedback of when I acknowledged that that Sheppy won. When I told her, yes, Sheppy, you won. Listen to my feedback to her, and then I let you listen to her reply.
Oh my God! Sheppy, you get it! You got it, girl, you got it!
That was me responding to telling her that she had won. Now I'm going to let you listen to her reply when she realized that she had won.
Thank you, Miss Debs. And I wasn't going to enter because I was saying that somebody must have got me already. I never been nothing yet. Thank you so much, Miss Debs. Thank you. Big up yourself.
Okay, your Paris family, that was Sheppy Bradshaw, our first place winner. Sheppy, congratulations. Big up yourself, my sister. Now this is Sashay. This it's sort of low. I do hope you will hear her. I'm not sure if this is the correct one. She's so soft-spoken.
Me and Camera Girl, I just want to say thank you guys for the giveaway, and I can't believe I won second place. I'm so excited to get my black cake, and oh my god, I can't believe I win. I never win anything. But thank you guys so much for the chance to win, and I love your channel.
Okay, y'all family. So that was Sashi, the second place winner. Okay? And we have prepared now their presents, their gifts. So this is a 9-inch black cake. This is an 8-inch. This goes to the first place winner, which is Sheppy Bradshaw. They're being cooled out. They're being, you know, where we put our rum and wine to it, and we have them there steeping to be properly cooled and also to be packaged. We want to ship right off to them on Saturday. When I send it to the post office for a year from the short year, so them can't find it, them eat it off. You understand? So we'll be using one of those like a courier place or one of them places that we carry it fast to make them get it. Now these goes, one of these are the samples. So look here, when them get them cake, and if they don't want to cut their cake same time, they can just get a little taste of what is in there. So this is it. This is Sheppy Bradshaw, first place winner, a 9-inch black cake from the Jamaican cooking journey, all done here, right here. And this is also Sashi, second place winner. This is a 8-inch black cake going also with a sample. These are the samples. They will be covered and they will be properly packaged, and they'll be posted off to them. Okay? So I just want to say thank you so very much. Thank you for all your love. Thank you for all your support. Thank you. It made a lot of difference. And as I said, in future giveaway, we will plan it differently because we did this on a little, you know. And let me tell you something, world boss. Let me ask you something, man. What kind of thing that, man? Oh, you have to put the answer in the comment section. You add the answer, bro. You should have just texted it to me. You add the answer. But look here. What for you can and for you, and it for Sheppy own. Thank you so much, family. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. It was made all possible by all of us here. So this is just to, you know, to really over 30,000. Just to say thank you so much. Thank you for your love. We love you. We appreciate you. Debbie from Dongayard, bless, no stress.